tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. For the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manna, Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather in New Jersey, Cape May, Maryland, Carolina, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Wisconsin NOAA Weather Radio all hazards. At 11